guys, it's Dripty from Bold Looks. I'm going to apply a quick layer of tinted moisturizer for a sheer base. And then next up, add a little bit of anti-aging foundation to build coverage. I'm contouring with deep color correcting tinted moisturizer. And then the brows are going to be done with Shadow Sense. I love this color, Rustic Brown. It's a neutral brown, not too much red. And I love that it's cream to powder, easy to blend and apply. Next up is Twilight Shimmer as a base. And then the inner corners are done with warm gold shimmer. It's such a pretty tone, just warms up and brightens up the whole look. You can layer this to get more intensity. I'm applying a little bit of Burgundy as a outer corner color and crease color too. Dab it on to get more intensity and then blend. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight with the shimmer again and then put lime shimmer just lightly into the center of the lids and then blend everything out. Next up, I'm going to use light concealer to brighten and highlight underneath the eyes, and also it helps to clean up the edges so you get a more lifted look. Cheeks are pretty with the Mini Pearlizer in Moonbeam and then also mixed with Pinkberry. And then the lips have Amber Spice with Glossy Gloss. Look at that. Does not smudge off. Next up is mascara, 3-in-1 primer, and then Volumeintense mascara in black waterproof.